So my name's Scott Winter. I've had bad teeth pretty much my entire life. I've always been afraid to smile. I have been looking into getting like a dental overhaul for probably the last 8 years. I've been following Dr. Golpa on his mailing list for almost 5 years to the day. And a couple months back, I decided to, just make the commitment and jump into it. And I made my deposit, arranged for some financing, and came down to Vegas yesterday and wound up getting 19 extractions. I got my implants, went back to my hotel. Everything was relatively painless. I mean, I had a little discomfort. I'm starving right now because applesauce only goes so far, but showed up this morning, I guess about an hour ago, and had my new teeth delivered. They look fantastic. I think so anyway. It's taken a little bit of getting used to, but it feels natural. It feels good. I would highly recommend it to anybody that's thinking about it. I just got tired of spending all this time and money in various doctors' offices getting this tooth fixed, that tooth fixed, and inevitably they wound up being short-term solutions. And I was really I probably spent just as much over the years as I did for this. I'm so pleased with the experience. First of all, the staff here is phenomenal. I felt welcome right at the word go. I really do recommend this to anybody who's thinking about doing it, and I'd be more than happy to share the experiences with you if you feel like calling me or contacting me. I'll be completely honest with you. I haven't really thought of any negatives yet, because there aren't any. I didn't even take the pain medication that they gave me last night. I just went back to my room. Had some water, applesauce, and protein shakes. Now I'm ready to dig into a big fat burger. But yeah, if anybody has any questions, about even the financing of it, or the process of it, or how you're going to feel, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to share my experience with you.